In a previous video, I showed you a tool that you can be using to remove the backgrounds of your image, and this was an app that's totally free of charge. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you a really cool tool that you can use to remove video backgrounds. Now, if you have any video that you would love to remove the background and even replace it with another background, then this is the tool that you really need to consider. Not many persons know that you can actually remove the background of a video, but in this very tutorial I am going to show you how you can do it very fast and easily, even though you are not a pro when it comes to editing videos. Then also you will see how you can just replace this video with a really cool video background, another video background, and nobody will even know at all that you actually replace the background of the video. Now let's get started. Now go to onscreen.com. The very first thing you will notice is that this particular website is similar to the remove.bg website. Why is it so? Because it's the same persons that made this particular website that made the remove.bg website. Because if you go straight down to the footer, you will discover that On Screen made by Kaledo. And if you also go back to remove.bg, let's go back to remove.bg, and you scroll straight down to the bottom, the footer, you will see again Made with Love by Kaledo. So it's the same persons. Now, if that is noted, what we are now going to do is we are going to get a video and get the background removed so that you see how this is actually done. What you need to do is go to upload clip, or you search for GIF file. So the video we are going to use, let's go to pizzabay.com. Go to pizzabay.com to get a stock video, a free stock video. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, let's use this. I love animations, so this particular one, let's click on it. You see it. So this is an animation that's opened up, and then we click play. This how many seconds clip? It's actually 10-second duration. It's an MP4, so you see the video is an animation. We are going to remove the background and then replace it with another. So we go back here, so you just download it, which I've already done actually. So you go to upload, and then I think it was saved. Okay, this is it. You click on it and then upload the clip and wait for it to be done. Doesn't really take time. It depends on the internet connection. Okay, 50%, and then let's give it some time. Cool. See, the background has been removed. We have to wait till it's totally done. Okay, 71%. Since it's a video, of course it's going to take more time compared to when we're removing the background of a photo. So it is done now. You can share it like this or just download it, but you see there are still some rough edges around, and we don't want that to be noticeable with any video we are removing the background. So we are going to change the background. You see it here, change background. So we just click on the change background. You see different background animation. We could use video background, we could use colored background, solid color, we could also use image. But let's try it with video first. Now if we use this video background, see, this video background is cool, not bad. or we could use this. It's also very cool. So we have changed the background from the previous, or we could also use this. This is sweet. So from total black background to this, or we could use could also use this. You just try different format out. We use this planetary background, spiral rather. Once we are satisfied with the video background or image background, or any background that we have chosen, once we are satisfied with it, we now come down here. So you just click on what? Download, and we'll wait for it, for everything to get prepared. You see it's compositing it, and then it will encode it and blend everything all together so that we get the final product ready as we actually desire. So you see now it's encoding, and it's on 60% and above. So let's just give it time. So it takes a little bit of more time compared to the image remover counterparts. There are other websites. So we'll wait for it. And another thing you should know that you have a watermark. Your video is going to come with a watermark. So it is done. So we just go on here and get it open, and this is the final product. You see, this is what we have. Not bad. You see the on-screen logo here, very faint, but still much noticeable. So that's it. That's how you remove the background of the video you intend working on. Thank you and God bless. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you